Gas grilling becomes easier when you choose the right model for performance, durability, and value. Best gas grill under 500 options deliver reliable heat, spacious cooking areas, and practical features that help you prepare delicious meals for family gatherings and weekend cookouts. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart CGG 306 Gas Grill. The Cuisinart CGG 306 Gas Grill is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want powerful grilling performance in a compact and portable design. Designed for convenience, this tabletop propane grill can be set up in less than 10 minutes without requiring any tools, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating events, and backyard gatherings. Its dual stainless steel burners produce a combined 20,000 BTUs of cooking power, allowing users to create separate heat zones for grilling different foods simultaneously. The stainless steel cooking grates distribute heat evenly across the surface, helping achieve consistent cooking results whether preparing burgers, steaks, vegetables, or seafood. Despite its impressive cooking capability, the grill weighs only 22 pounds, making transportation simple and hassle-free. Reliable electronic ignition ensures quick startups every time, eliminating frustration before grilling begins. Combining durability, portability, and powerful cooking performance, the Cuisinart CGG 306 delivers many of the benefits of a full-sized grill in a travel-friendly package that is perfect for outdoor adventures and everyday use. Number 2. Weber Spirit Gas Grill. The Weber Spirit Gas Grill is a premium grilling solution designed for backyard cooks who value performance, reliability, and versatility. One of its standout features is the innovative Boost Burner System, which delivers up to 40% more power in the largest sear zone within its class. This extra heat helps create restaurant-quality sear marks and locks in flavor for steaks, burgers, and other grilled favorites. Weber's Naps Jet ignition system allows each burner to be lit individually with a simple press and turn of a knob, providing both convenience and reliability. Porcelain enameled cast iron grates offer exceptional heat retention while remaining easy to clean and highly durable. The cast aluminum cookbox resists rust, peeling, and weather-related damage, ensuring long-lasting performance season after season. Additional Weber Works side rails allow users to attach optional accessories for increased organization and workspace. Combining thoughtful design, dependable construction, and powerful cooking performance, the Weber Spirit Gas Grill is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a durable and feature-rich gas grill.
Number 3. Grills House 1020 Square Inch Gas Grill. The Grills House 1020 Square Inch Gas Grill is a versatile outdoor cooking station built for grillers who want the flexibility of both gas and charcoal cooking in a single unit. Featuring a dual fuel design, this grill combines a gas grill, charcoal grill, offset smoker, and side burner into one comprehensive outdoor cooking system. With an impressive 1,020 square inches of total cooking space, it can easily accommodate large family gatherings, parties, and cookouts. The gas side is powered by 2 stainless steel burners producing 24,000 BTUs, while the side burner adds another 10,000 for preparing sauces or side dishes. The attached offset smoker enhances flavor by infusing food with authentic wood smoke taste while promoting effective heat circulation. A convenient side access door allows users to add charcoal and remove ash without disrupting the cooking process. The adjustable charcoal pan offers greater control over cooking temperatures, making it easier to achieve desired results. For outdoor chefs seeking maximum versatility, cooking capacity, and flavor options, this combination grill offers exceptional value and functionality. Number 4. Electactic Enameled Gas Grill. The Electactic Enameled Gas Grill delivers a balanced combination of power, durability, and convenience for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Equipped with 3 stainless steel main burners and a powerful 10,500 BTU side burner, it generates ample heat for everything from high-temperature searing to slow-cooked barbecue meals. The built-in temperature gauge, capable of monitoring temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, allows for accurate heat management and greater cooking precision. Constructed from premium stainless steel, the grill is designed to resist rust and withstand years of outdoor use. Its porcelain enameled cooking grates provide excellent heat retention while preventing food from sticking, making both cooking and cleanup easier. Several thoughtful features enhance the overall grilling experience, including integrated hidden tool hooks, a built-in SUS 304 bottle opener, and corrosion-resistant control knob bezels. Cleanup is simplified by the innovative rear draw grease management system, which directs grease into a removable collection cup for quick disposal. Combining strong performance, durable construction, and user-friendly features, the Electactic Enameled gas grill is a practical choice for backyard barbecues, family gatherings, and outdoor entertaining throughout the year.
Number 5. COWSAR Backyard Gas Grill. The COWSAR Backyard Gas Grill is designed to provide dependable grilling performance while offering ample cooking space for families and outdoor gatherings. Equipped with 4 upgraded stainless steel burners producing a total of 32,000 BTUs, this grill delivers strong, consistent heat across the entire cooking surface. The enhanced burner system promotes fast preheating and even heat distribution, helping eliminate hot spots and ensuring food cooks uniformly. With 530 square inches of total cooking space, including a spacious primary grilling area and a warming rack, the grill can comfortably handle multiple burgers, steaks, vegetables, and ribs at the same time. A convenient side burner adds versatility by allowing users to prepare sauces, side dishes, or boiling tasks while grilling. The built-in storage cabinet and side hooks help keep cooking tools organized and within easy reach. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates provide superior heat retention and durability, while offering a non-stick cooking surface that simplifies cleanup. Combining functionality, cooking capacity, and practical storage features, the COWSAR Backyard Gas Grill is a reliable option for backyard barbecues and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.